Hello everybody, I'm going to talk today about a lens replacement for a SmartCraft gauge. So this is a gauge that I have on a 2005 Sea Ray. And when I bought the boat, the lens, you see here, had a crack in it. I kind of wanted to replace that. I don't know if you could see it in it, but it was cracked. And also the LCD inside was kind of burnt out, probably from the sun or something like that. So I took it out. I did a lot of researching looking for a replacement lens. Pretty much impossible to find. They're kind of made of unobtainium as far as I can tell. They're actually made by a company from Switzerland, VDO, and it's I think it's a division of Siemens, perhaps, I don't know, but anyway. So I looked into buying a replacement gauge for this, and you could get them for about $400. However, since this is a 2005 and it's actually got a Sea Ray number on it, more importantly, it has a software version 3. I was concerned that if I tried to put another gauge in there, it might not talk properly to the other gauges. All these gauges talk to one another over a CAN bus, controlled area network, so they're all digitally connected. It might work, it might be backwards compatible, but I really didn't want to take that chance. The other thing is this gauge actually matches the other gauges in the boat. So what I did, talked to GaugeSaver.com over the summer, and actually Eric at GaugeSaver had a source of these lenses. So I just recently sent this gauge to him for refurbishment. He put a new lens in and he fixed the LCD. So what I'm going to do here is I'll show you how to put this back in. It's pretty simple. It's just a connector here that goes in the back, and you have a little rubber gasket here, and then you have a basically a clamping screw or whatever on this, and it just fits back into the console, and then you screw the console in with a couple of screws. So I'm going to put it back in. It came out really good. It looks really good. I could barely see the LCD, and the screen itself had some issues. So we'll see how that looks. But if you're interested, again, I'll show you how this looks after I put it in. So I just installed the gauge tack, and I'll turn it on in a second. But one thing I noticed is that this new lens is super clear compared to the original lenses. On my miles per hour gauge, I also have another crack here. This is a circular one, but I didn't bother doing anything with that right now. This particular one is the most important because you get a readout of the engine functions and all that. So again, this is a brand new gauge, contemporary. It's about $400, and with a new lens and refurbishment, I think it was like $130 for this. And you don't have to worry about software revisions and all that. So let's see. I'll turn it on and see what happens. It looks really good. You can see the readouts, what's going on. It's pretty cold today. It's 32 degrees right now. But I'd recommend taking a look at this. Like I said, these lenses, you cannot buy them. Not available anywhere except through, as far as I know, GaugeSaver. He's got his own source of these things. But I'm glad I did it. So it gives you this nice little cover protection when you're done. It's kind of nice. Put that on there. Don't have to worry about the sun burning out the LCD. So all ready to go for next year, and good luck if you have this problem. But I recommend taking a look at GaugeSaver. Talk to Eric over there. He's a real good guy. Responded quickly and got the gauge back in a couple weeks. So good luck. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe. There'll be more things coming out for boat repair and other interesting things. Thank you.